how are you all? I hope you all are good and happy. So today we are going to begin with the lesson number 22 of your class 6 English grammar, that is article. Article हम किस में ही लिखते हैं? We'll read articles in newspapers. We give articles for our school magazines. So let's begin with this lesson. Writing an article for a newspaper or school magazine is not an easy task. कोई easy task नहीं होता, as it involves creativity. उसमें creativity होनी चाहिए, a wide vocabulary through knowledge of subject and organizing ability. Beside these, it should have a purpose. It's like purpose होना चाहिए as well as attractive style. How to write a good article? कैसे लिख सकते हैं हम एक अच्छा सा article? Give a catchy thought provoking the title. एक आपको कैची थॉट देना, एकदम टाइटल शो करता हो. It may be a word, it may be a word, a phrase or even a sentence. It may be a word, a phrase, यहाँ पे may आएगा, many नहीं आएगा. It may be a word, a phrase or even a sentence. The first few sentence should introduce the topic on the main idea. जो main idea उस पे first few lines आके उसको introduce करने के लिए चाहिए article का जो main idea. And the last few sentence should say your conclusion on the topic. Last few में क्या आना चाहिए? Conclusion आना चाहिए उस topic पे. Third, the purpose of writing the article should be clear. जो purpose होता है write करने का article वो clear होना चाहिए. Whether it is to inform people, entertain them, convince or persuade them. We be very clear about who the reader are. आपको clear होना चाहिए कि reader कौन है. Students, experts on the subject, educated people or laymen. Now the vocabulary should be literary and different grammatical structures should be used. Different grammatical structures use होने चाहिए उसमें. The verbal, visual, seamless and the relevant information available in the question. Not all of it can be quoted and written in your own words along with some new ideas. We use information collected from newspapers, magazines and websites. So you must, आपको क्या करना चाहिए? You must divide or arrange your article speech into suitable paragraph. और arrange करना चाहिए एक suitable paragraph में and decide what ideas are to be included in which paragraph. So आपको decide करना चाहिए कौन से ideas आपको कौन से paragraph में लिखने हैं. You can use quotations of poets and philosophers anywhere in the article. आप quotations of poets, philosophers के use कर सकते हो कहीं भी article में to make it impressive, but do not overdo it. उस overdo नहीं करना. Use that where they are necessary to illustrate a point. Ninth point, the person's name should be either on the left or on the right hand. जो person का name या तो left में होना चाहिए या फिर right side में होना चाहिए sheet के below the heading or at the end. या तो heading के नीचे या फिर end में होना चाहिए. Need for preserving the environment. Whenever man had tried to progress and advance towards growth, pollution had been a byproduct. It had been seen that men always had to pay very dearly in order to progress. The more man advanced towards development, the more this problem arose. The environment pollution is a threat to humanity. Environment means external surroundings like earth, atmosphere, air, drinking water and forest, etc. Plants and animals live and grow in it. It influences their behavior and growth. Man's survival also depends upon the environment. It should therefore be maintained in good condition. But our surroundings are increasingly being threatened and polluted by smoke, dirt, dust, noise and chemicals. No doubt it has an effective system of controlling pollution, but the man himself is responsible for the imbalance. So there is a great need to protect environment. More trees should be planted. There should be a ban on deforestation. Treatment plants should be installed in factories to purify the effluents. More attention should be paid to hygiene and sanitation, particularly in urban and semi-urban areas. If we closely examine the root cause of all these things is growing population. Steps must be taken to control the population growth. Redevelopment of natural environment will help mankind to fight pollution. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of the article, how to write the article. So thank you and have a great day.